$20 for like 1 month, and you get one art break, and then you can do a bunch of stuff. Oh, that's from Supernatural. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Cassidy.
I want this book.
My name is Morgan Bell. I'm the president of the Pencil Mileage Club, and you know, it's just a really big honor, and it's a really big responsibility, you know, and it's really great. It's great, and I get to, you know, plan events and talk to people and just lead this army of artists, and it's great. A lot of people say to me, you know, Morgan, do you think you can take this on? And you know what I say to that is, beginner's luck.
Hey Tony, how's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Did you got all the classes you wanted?
Yeah, I did actually. Mondays and Wednesdays I got plein air manscaping.
Oh yeah.
Tuesdays and Thursdays I got Life Drawing with Beanie Babies.
That's a good one, yeah, it's hard to get into.
And on Friday, my DeviantArt professional portfolio review.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
people, playtime's over. Sit down. Okay. So, as many of you know, tomorrow is the first official PMC meeting, and it's got to be good. We've got to make a good impression. It's got to be great. Okay? All right, so event planners. Anything planned? I mean, come on, guys. There's like 8 of you. This is something.
Well, maybe we can make an introduction video. Something funny, we can film each other, put lots of pop culture.
No, videos are dumb. Nobody watches videos anymore. And we are not the pencil video editing, camera shooting mileage club. We are the pencil mileage club.
What about the 2-minute drawing challenge?
Yes! Yes! 2-minute drawing challenge. What prizes do we have left over from last year?
Got it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Looks like we have a dead rat, some broken glass, and a Band-Aid ball.
Been looking for that.
Okay. We need to come at this from a different angle. Pencil mileage clubs. What is it? What is the pencil mileage club?
A money laundering cover-up?
What? No, there's no. Oh, this is hopeless. Okay. You know, sometimes, guys, I feel so suffocated by all this responsibility that I have, and
And that's lunch, guys!
Ooh,
Some of us have class. Sorry, Morgan now.
I'm gonna take my hammer.
It'll go great.
But, Victoria, you really should stay. Hey, Morgan, wake up. Come on, wake up. What time is it?
It's 11:55.
Oh my god, no,
It's okay. We got it all figured out. Don't worry about it. Just fix in there. Okay? Maybe clear up the vomit before you go.
Yeah, so I really think this is gonna be probably our best year ever. I'm feeling pretty good. So, see you guys in there. Yeah, you know what? Life drawing is but okay, good. We're good. Good start.